In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add horizontal scrolling text to Squarespace. We're going to walk through the process of inserting a scrolling text element and then customizing the message so it says exactly what you want. This is a great way to highlight announcements, promotions, short headlines, or any text you want visitors to notice right away. To begin, open your Squarespace page editor and go to the section where you want the scrolling text to appear. Once you're in the right area, click on Add Block. This opens the block menu where Squarespace gives you different content options you can place on the page. If you're building out a banner style section or adding motion to a simple layout, this is where it all starts. From the list of available blocks, click on Scrolling. This will insert a horizontal scrolling text block into your page. As soon as you add it, you should see the scrolling element appear in the layout. At this stage, it may still contain default or existing text. So the next step is to edit it to match your own content. Now click the pencil icon on the scrolling block. This opens the editing panel for that specific block. The pencil icon is the standard Squarespace edit control, and it allows you to adjust the content already inside the block without having to remove and re-add it. If you don't see it right away, hover over the block and it should become visible. Once the editor is open, click on the current text inside the scrolling block. This selects the existing message so you can change it. Be sure you're clicking directly into the text area because that's what allows you to replace what's currently there instead of editing another setting by mistake. Then edit the text. Type in the message you want your visitors to see scrolling across the screen. Keep your wording clear and concise, since moving text is easiest to read when it isn't too long or complicated. Short promotional phrases, event details, or brand statements often work especially well here. After updating the text, take a moment to preview how it looks on the page. Make sure the wording reads smoothly as it scrolls and that it fits the style of the rest of your site. If needed, you can always reopen the block and refine the text until it feels just right. And that's it. You've successfully added horizontal scrolling text to Squarespace and customized it for your site.